Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another daily work from home job lead. This one is non-phone data entry. It is high paying. It pays up to $29.75 an hour. This is for my United States folks only. So we will not waste any time. We will dive into all the juicy details. Just know if you want to apply, the links to everything are in the YouTube description box below. Today we have the company SunWarrior. Now they are a nutrition company. They are trying to take their members and clients on a nutrition journey from light, energy, and love. They believe in optimal health. And they are hiring a data entry clerk. Now, this is a full-time position. It pays anywhere from $20.15 an hour all the way up to $29.75 an hour. It is a truly non-phone data entry. They are looking for someone to review PDFs and edit Word documents. You'll confirm, corroborate, and remove any unnecessary data and combine data from several sources. You'll survey reports and sheets of data. You'll make Excel templates and questionnaires. You'll reformat documents from Word to Excel and vice versa from Excel to Word. You'll analyze completed work to make sure there are no duplications of errors in the content before you submit the final product. You'll search the internet for information, and you'll also be tasked with sending approximately 300 emails a month to third-party organizations to get the appropriate data. So even when you need to obtain data, that is done non-phone through email. They are looking for someone who can type very fast, 6,000 keystrokes per hour, someone who has good verbal and written communication skills, someone who can pay attention to detail and identify and correct any errors in the data, someone who can sit for long periods of time because you will be sitting at a computer, and someone who can use word processing, spreadsheets, databases, all that software. That is Microsoft Office. That's going to be your Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneNote, all of those things. They do not require any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or GED. Now, because this is a full-time job, on top of the fabulous pay, they also offer full benefits, including medical, dental, vision, 401k with a company match, and paid time off. Please note that the salary range is based on experience and location. However, make sure if you get a job offer that you are always negotiating your pay, because they do have it in their budget to pay up to that $29 an hour. In the YouTube description box below, I'm also going to link this Indeed page. They do have an Indeed page that has several reviews if you want to read the reviews about the company or do any other side investigations yourself. I always recommend doing your own research before giving any of your private information to any of these companies. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.